It begins with data, not daylight. The algorithm knows which bowls are perfect before any human hand touches them.
Compressed and cataloged. The harvest is now a sealed, data-tagged asset, not just a crop. Weighed and verified. The first handshake between grower and processor is digital. Cleansed by a hurricane. The first purification removes the soil's final kiss.
The cotton next enters the gin stand, the heart of the operation. Here, saw-toothed rollers pull the
Two destinies. One becomes fabric, the other becomes fuel and food.
A scanner reads its ID. An automated forklift stores it in a warehouse slot, filed away in the library of lint.
Premium denim, 14-ounce indigo. The recipe is called.
The blended fibers emerge as a uniform, airy sheet. The individual is dissolved into the blend. Uniformity is born from diversity.
The lap is fed through a carding machine, where fine wires comb the fibers into parallel alignment, forming a delicate rope called a sliver. The sliver enters the roving frame, where it receives a slight twist and is wound onto a spindle, becoming a thicker, soft...
The preemptive sacrifice. The fabric is shrunk now, so it will hold its shape later. The journey continues. The fabric leaves its birthplace to meet the artisans who will give it form. Access granted. The human element floods into the system.
Manifest confirmed on tablet. Roll 22 loaded. Copy that. Heading to the freight elevator now.
Bring it down slowly right there. Copy that, stabilizing the load. Looks good, set it down.
Classic 5-pocket jeans, size 32W for 34 liters.
Are these the back pockets? Yes, stack them here. We need more front panels.
Where the machine and the maker's intent become one.
We maintain the arc precision on all of them.
Looks good. Let's verify the signature alignment.
Check the stitching on the back pocket here.
Already fixed that one, it's ready for the rack.
The sewing is complete. The uniform newness of these jeans is about to be destroyed to give them character.
Entering the laundromat of giants. Here, the jeans will earn their wear and their story.
Cellulase enzymes are added to the water, gently eating away at the cellulose fibers and softening the fabric.
The last line of defense. Before meeting the world, every detail must pass the most critical human eye.
pallet 9, blue jeans, front wall. Check the balance. Now the straps, secure the load tight. That should hold.
Attention all staff. We have a new shipment of denim arriving at Station 4. Keep the line moving.
The memory of the factory. Every product is logged in a digital shadow world, awaiting its call to a specific customer.
Demand in Dallas or Dublin creates motion in the warehouse. The global heartbeat of retail triggers a local response.
Consolidation for efficiency. Individual stories merge again into a shared leg of the journey. Inside the cavernous parcel hub, our box is unloaded from the Gaylord and placed on another, even faster sorting system.
The final mile. The journey of thousands of miles and hundreds of hands culminates in a walk across a lawn.
As you can see here, the recent campaign caused a significant spike in sales for the 501 style in the European market.
The new digital pattern arrives, translated from the voice of the consumer, and the cycle begins anew.
Status update. Loom 23 bearing temperature trend detected. Predictive maintenance scheduled.
The quality feedback loop never sleeps. Destruction fuels creation by refining the standard.
Contingency protocol engaged. Rerouting flow through auxiliary units B and C ensures 99% uptime.
human touch, where randomness and artistry create a unique, unrepeatable character.
Will it bleed? The proof is not in the water, but in simulated sweat.
The test of vanity. Will the surface stay clean, or will it betray its age with pills?
Dimensional stability is verified. A pair of jeans is precisely measured, then washed and dried according to strict protocols. Any shrinkage beyond the brand's promise is a failure.
This one is very peachy. The last one was dry, but this has a silky hand feel.
The product has been interrogated by science and blessed by experience. From suspicion to certification.
And this is how modern factories, tradition, and technology combine to create the perfect pair of jeans, from a cotton boll to your front door.
last one for 88.
Embarking on the transcontinental bridge. The product carries its local story into the global stream.
And this is how modern factories, tradition, and technology combine to create the perfect pair of jeans, from a cotton bowl to your front door.